Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add your very own signature to your worksheet here in Excel. Now if you are new here or if you find this video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so you can see we're currently here on our Excel document. Now there are two main ways that I'd recommend adding a signature, and that is, the first one is of course going to insert. You can see up here on the toolbar, going down to pictures, and from here I'd recommend uploading a picture of your signature if you have it from another app, for example, if you have a PNG or JPEG, and you can just immediately drop this in. Now there is a second option. Of course, what you can do is go up to Home, and you can go all the way along until you see the option for draw, and as you can see I actually have pen selected, and from here I can very simply add in my signature as I wish, and of course just click the cursor when I am done. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.